You will learn how to quickly publish an ebook on Shopify from this video. Let's get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and in this case, I'm going to work with Google Chrome. Okay. As your browser opens, visit shopify.com and log in. All right, I'll click on login. All right, I'm logging on my Shopify account, and let's start the creation. So click on products. When you click on products, you will see the one you have existing already. Then click on add products. On this new page, add the title of the book you want to create. So I have added my title with the subtitle. All right. So I'll click here to close this gap. So this platform does not have a space for subtitles. So make sure that you add everything together. Just as look at the main title, and then I have colon followed by the subtitle. So here I'll add description, and the description is clear. It has been typed. Then proceed to this section. You say add, okay, media section. This is where you're going to add the cover of what you're creating, okay, of the book. So I'll click on upload new. Then look at the cover I want to use. So I'll click on this and click on open. So here is telling us to, add more pictures. But let's work with this for now. Later I will do that, okay? For the sake of time. Then it says category print book in books. I will click here. If that does not match, I will select ebooks. You can see that this is ebooks I want to sell. This is not print books. So I have to set my price. I'm going with $7.99. All right. Scroll down here. You can whether there is inventory. It said inventory tracked. It's not tracked in this case because it's not a physical product. Then it says shipping, not a physical product. I'm going to turn this off. All right. So there is no variance. It's just ebook now. So look at this one. It say category meta field. All right. Okay. This one is okay. Category education technology. Fine. Language version English. Target audience suitable for all ages. Fine. I'm okay with this. So look at how it will appear on search engine. What people will see, which when they click, they can go on and do what and buy. But look at tag section. So you can see product categorization, product type, that's ebook, then vendor, Godwin texture, and collection is there's no collection here. And let me leave it this way. Is somewhere I may just decide to add maybe cloud storage products or cloud storage books. Okay, let's add new. Okay, so let's call this cloud storage books. Okay, you can describe what it's all about from here, but I don't have that time, so I'll click on save. All right, so it has been added. So tags, what people are likely to be searching. All right, okay, they can search cloud storage. Okay, then cloud storage software. Then after that, press enter. I have enough tags here. All right, so I'm cool with all these tags. So on the assumption that you are done with everything you want to do here, you are good. Just click on save, and it says products created. Very important. There's something I need to do. Yeah, that reminds me. Look at this. This downloads digital downloader. Click there because I have not added the file. If you don't have this already, get through the apps. All right, there's app section and download it. Okay, I discussed that in my first video. All right, in my first video, I will link the video in the description. So you watch it to see how to download this application, digital downloader. That's what is will help you to upload your ebook here. Okay, so I'll click on add these two files. Then I'll click on add. So I'm going to pick the PDF file of the ebook. It can be documents, okay? It mustn't be PDF, but I work with PDF in this case. So I'll click on it and click on open. So it has been added right now. So I'll click on save.